Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making slime. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and comment which video I should do next week. Without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So the supplies you will need are contact solution, baking soda, glue, the marker is just for writing something, and measuring things, and food coloring or glitter. And today I'll be using glitter. Okay, so move all this out the way. First thing you will need is your bowl. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a bowl too. Okay. Even though it's like still really sticky, okay, take it to contact and spray it and like pour a little in, yeah, like more. You don't need that, yeah, okay, yeah, it's like really sticky. Okay, so it's totally fine. Okay, so you're gonna want to keep playing with it so it's not sticky. If it's still sticky, you're gonna have to add more. You're gonna have to add more contact solution. Try to add more contact solution too. Then like push on the bowl too. But okay, put a little bowl. Yeah, you're gonna want to get the slime and like in the bowl, get the excess stuff that's in the bowl. You're gonna want to get all the way. There still might be a little bit of contact solution in the bowl. Okay, so let's see. Okay, try push them on the same. Push contact solution. Yeah, push them a lot. Okay, now push on the other hand. And then, oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, you want to keep playing with it so it's not sticky. I'll have to do this part. Okay, so it's not as sticky. It's not as sticky. So, that's sticky. It's not too sticky, but sticky. It's sticky enough. I'm gonna need more contact. Here, put a little bit in here. Okay, so once it's sticky, it's not sticky. Okay, so mine is not sticky anymore. So once it's not sticky, you're gonna move your bowl out the way. And you're just gonna place your slime on the table, or whatever surface you're on. You don't have to do that. You can still mix it up in the bowl, but I like to put it on the table. And once you know it's not sticky, then once it's stretchable. Hold on, wait. Okay, once it's not sticky, once it's stretchable, like that, you are ready. Well, it's stretchable anyway. Okay, once it's not sticky, you're ready. Okay, so now you're going to place it on the table, or you don't have to, just keep it in the bowl. If it's not sticking to the table or anything, or any other surface you're on, then you don't have that means it's ready. It is ready. So now we're gonna place the glitter or your food coloring into this. Okay, so you get your glitter. I'm using green glitter. Ooh, oh, okay. Well, that was.
What is the name for this one?
I don't know. I like to name my slime. At the end, I'll show you what kind of slime I have. So, at the end, I'll show you what kind of slime I have. Or my brother. That, by the way, the person who was helping me with all my stuff was my brother the whole time. He was like pouring in. Ooh, the green's pretty, but I want to add more. Good thing I didn't use the dark green. The dark green. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. Oh, I thought the glitter was sticking to the thing. Okay, so
You should be able to hear fart sounds.
yeah, it depends on how you do it, but mine makes fart noises. See, so I'm pretty sure yours will too. But if you want to add more food coloring or more glitter, just keep adding it in there until it's perfect for you. But mine isn't perfect enough for me. I want my green to look like the green from the Wicked Witch of the West. I want it to look like her face. I do. I want it to be as green as her face. Not like as green as her face, but green enough. Like a pretty green. Still a pretty green. Okay. Okay. So after you're done and you make it till you're content, or however you like it. It will soon be like that. So mine is green. You probably can't see it. You can probably see it a little bit, but it's like an emerald. It's not a dark emerald green, but it's green. It's like a pretty green. See, it's like a pretty light green. Yeah, pretty lime green. So I'm done with mine, and if you need to add anything, like if you still have a little bit, if it's still like a little bit sticky, you can still add a little bit of contact solution. It's not gonna hurt anything if you have to do it after you've added anything. And after you've added everything, I just start playing with it until I hear the noises. I just start playing with it. Okay, and now, once I know that it's ready, I have a bag. I put mine in baggies until I get containers, and I like to name mine. For example, I made some not a couple minutes ago, and I named this one Cotton Candy because it's pink, and it's like really fun to play with. It's cotton candy. I named it Cotton Candy because it was pink. And I added mint extract. I might call this mint. Because like I add extract to mine, but you don't have to. It's optional. Uh-oh. Okay. Here, Trey, play with that.
Okay.
Okay. And I named this one Mustang because it's the colors of my school, and our mascot is a Mustang. So yeah, it's blue and gold, like blue and gold glitter. So yeah, so I'm gonna name this one Mint. Should I name it Mint Green or Mint? Mint Green? Should I? Okay, I'm gonna name it Mint Green. Okay, I'm gonna name it Mint Green. Okay. After you name it, you can just keep playing with your slime. You can just keep playing with your slime until it's like perfect enough for you. Okay, so if it's still sticky, you just keep adding solution. But I wouldn't add too much.
It's not as sticky where your hands can stick.
Yeah, it's perfect. Once it looks like this and it's not sticky and it's stretchable and it's really fun to play with,
It's ready.
then it's ready. So yeah. That is my slime tutorial. Thanks to my friend here, or brother Trey. Get in here, little buddy, get in here. Thanks to him helping me with everything because I was really clumsy in half this video. So, but yeah, thanks to Trey. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. As I said in the beginning, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you make slime, if you make this slime, take a picture of it and then send it to me on all my social medias, which I will have a link to in the description box below. And I will just see you next week with a new video. Bye!